Okay, so now you have Flubaroo installed and you have student submissions for your quiz. So the next thing we need to do is to grade our assignment using Flubaroo. In order to do that, we first have to enable Flubaroo in this sheet. To do that, click on Add-ons, go to the Flubaroo menu, and select Enable Flubaroo in this sheet. Once that has been done, you'll receive a notification window. Go ahead and click the OK button to go to the next step. Now you're ready to grade those submissions. To use Flubaroo to grade your quiz, go to Add-ons, point to the Flubaroo menu, and click on Grade Assignment. The first thing you'll need to do is verify and confirm which information in the quiz is student identification information and which questions you want to grade and how you would like to grade those. Flubaroo will try to make those decisions for you, but it's best to go ahead and verify that that information is correct. So our first two fields, username and student name, are indeed identifying information for our students. So we'll leave that the same. For each question in your quiz, your options are, of course, you could tell it if it's identifying information of a student. You can skip the grading if you choose not to grade that particular question. You can grade it normally, so Flubaroo will grade it based on your answer key, or you can grade it by hand. And then you can set each question from a value of 1 point to 10 points. Now, Flubaroo will not give partial credit for these questions. It's either all correct, in other words, they earn all the points if they get the question correct, or they earn 0 points if they miss the question. Later in this tutorial, we will discuss how to handle partial credit. For our 5 questions for the President's Quiz, we're going to leave the options on normal grading, and then we're going to leave each point value at 1 point. So when you're verified and you're ready to go on and grade the quiz, just go ahead and hit the Continue button. The final step is you need to decide which of the answers, which of the submitted responses is your answer key. Now remember that I used the name answer key for one of my student names in order to quickly identify which row was going to be my answer key. So I've already selected this. Yours may not be selected, so go ahead and select it if it's not. Then hit the Continue button. So Flubaroo is grading your assignment and posting the results in the background. When you get the message that says Flubaroo grading is complete, you can X that out. Notice that we have a new worksheet called Grades. This is where we have a summary of our information, our average points, our total points possible, how many submissions we had, and how many questions were low-scoring questions. In order for a question to be a low-scoring question, less than I think it's 80% of the students have to miss that question. Also notice that any students that fall below the threshold, which by default is 70%, will be indicated by their values will be marked in red. So that's how easy it is to grade your quiz using Flubaroo. Let me encourage you to go ahead and explore the other options in the Flubaroo menu. Some of these will be discussed later in this tutorial as well. All right, have fun using Flubaroo. Thank you.